Hello boys and girls, welcome back to some mark making. Today's sound we're going to learn is horse. Why don't you have a go at saying it? My turn. Horse. Your turn. Well done. Horse. Today's writing poem is down the head to the hooves and over his back. Let's have a go at writing it. Down the head to his hooves and over his back. Let's make it a little bit taller. Should we do it again? Down his head to his hooves and over his back. Horse. Well done. Why don't you have a go at home and send in your pictures to the teachers? Bye.